Hi friends, you will need two pens. आपको दो पेंसिल आपको लेना है। ठीक है। सबसे पहले आपको देखना है कि दोनों का एंगल सही होना चाहिए। अगर ये आगे पीछे हैं तो आपकी हैंड राइटिंग अच्छे से नहीं आएगी। तो आपको एक ही लाइन में दोनों होनी चाहिए, इस तरह से उसको दोनों लाइन में उसको मिला लें जैसे। उसके बाद आपके पास यहाँ पर और एक इस जगह पर उसको टाई करना है। आप उसके लिए रबर बैंड और टेप जो भी है आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। से अभी here now I'm good। अच्छा, हम यहाँ से उसको ट्राई कर देंगे फिर से। Your pen is ready। See now, it's a art is a skill। Sometimes we don't have calligraphy pen, so we can use these techniques to write। See now here, suppose you want to write, so you can use this। See now, suppose you want thin line, so you can hold type pen like this straight। You want bold line, you can hold it this way। See here example, you want thin line, straight line, see here thin। Now you want bold line, so you can use, see, bold line। These are basic shapes you have to practice। See here, you can write Devanagari style by this। See here, okay, same way you can write English calligraphy also we can write। See here now, suppose you don't have markers, sometimes we don't have markers, so we can use, suppose you have ice cream stick also you can use to make calligraphy pen we can make। You will need ice cream sticks and cutter। Okay, see now just you have to cut from here। So now see here, you can see now you have to take color ink also for writing, just dip in। Now see here, for writing thin shapes you can use thin by thin line। So you want bold line, just run it for bold line। Okay. See now, basic steps you have to practice first. Okay. Now see, you can write, you can write Devanagari script, English word, capital letters, small letters. See now here. Now we are going to use blue colors for writing. See, same way, thin lining for thin line. You have to hold pen in this way. Now suppose you want bold lines, you have to just little bit turn this, and you have to use like simple handwriting position. You can hold the pen. See now, just I am holding the in writing position. See, now you have to practice the basic shapes. See these basic shapes. So if you want to write Devanagari script, so you have to write in this way. See now. See, you can see. Use. You have to write in English also. So same way. See here. Hold the pen in this way. Now start the basic steps. Different style you can use. Thin line, bold line. And next, one more tool. You don't have ice cream sticks. Okay, these tools you don't have ice cream sticks, so you can use cutter also. See now how to use cutters. Just take ink. Okay, any color you can use for to write. Just you have to dip in the color. See now, basic steps. Again, you have to practice for it also. For thin line, bold lines, simple lines. Basic steps you have to practice. You practice. See here. You have to dip in color and you have to write. No need of calligraphy pen.